Good morning, people. Today we are going to be reviewing this, and this is from the AA. It is their Car Essentials Cherry Snow Foam, and this is a 1 litre bottle, and I only paid £2 for it. Well, actually I paid £1.99, and I did get it from Home Bargains, although at the moment I believe there is a problem with their website, but I can't actually find it even if I Google it. There is a picture of it on there from another website, but yeah, £2 in store at Home Bargains. So let me go grab the lance and we'll see if it's any good. Right, the lance we're going to use for this is the MJJC Foam Cannon SV3 because it is a good lance. So what the instructions say on this, it says 1 part product to 2 parts water through to neat use. So you can use this directly out of the bottle. So what we're going to do is, in here, in this Pyrex, I have got 600 ml of water, and then I'm going to add 300 ml of this. Hopefully that's correct, and then that would be 1 part this to 2 parts water. 300 of this, 600 of water. And it smells like the Haribo cherry sweets. That's exactly what that smells like, but look how red that is. So it'll be surprising to see how good this is, and especially comparing it to when it's neat. Right, let's go out to the Kia and see if it's any good. Right, so we got the Kia. I've washed the wheels already, and surprisingly it actually matches it quite well. The colour red, doesn't it? So yeah, this is a 3-to-1 ratio. The car is dry. Let's see what it's like. Oh, I can adjust the spread a bit better. Right, that is quite runny, but the smell, it smells so sweet. It literally smells like a pack of Haribos. Wow. Obviously that's quite a runny mixture. I'll still time it just to see how long it takes to come off. But yeah, it just smells super sweet. So I'll start the timer and we'll see how long it takes to come off. So that's been just over 2 minutes now, and quite a lot of it's actually stayed on there. The camera isn't doing it justice, there is still a fair amount on there. So let me up the dilution, or lower the dilution, and we'll try again. Just a good mark for it there. I've just jet washed it off ready for the next one. And actually, there was like little bits of bird poo on there, and actually it has got rid of them. I know that's not the same for all bird poos, because I know some of them are harder than others, but yeah, that got rid of the first little bit quite well. I would usually do this inside and do it a bit more precise, but I always seem to waste a lot of product. So I've got 500 ml still in here, so this is still 3-to-1, so I'm just going to make it 600 ml. Well, just over like that, and we'll see how good it is now. Right, I've turned said Kia around now, because I do want to see if it was just a bit of luck that it got off that bird poo. So I've got a bit of dry bird poo here, and then a bit, you know, a couple here and a couple there. So let's see if it gets that off straight off the bat. So this is with 100 ml more of product, and this side of the car is dry. So see how good it is. That is really good. That is really foamy. That's really impressive. That is really impressive. I think that is. Considering that it's still diluted and it says I can use it neat out the bottle, that is. It's still so sweet. That's quite impressive actually. But we'll see if it takes it off. Well, no, we're going to time it first, then we'll see if it actually got rid of the bird poo. So nice thick coat on there, and I will start the stopwatch. So it's been nearly 3 minutes now. Sorry, that was my fault. I got a bit distracted, and still quite a lot on there actually. Well, it would do better because it's got loads more product on it. But yeah, actually quite a good foam up. So I'm going to jet wash it off and we'll see if we got rid of that bird poo. Now I've jet washed it off, it has genuinely got rid of the bird poo that was there and the bird poo that was here. Bearing in mind I didn't actually hold the pressure washer that close to it. So the AA snow foam is doing very well. Usually I don't have to review the cleaning capabilities because they all do pretty much the same job. But yeah, there's some more expensive brands out there that haven't taken off the bird poo as easy as that. I will accept though that, as you know, there is probably different variants of bird poo. That's such a strange statement. Some are more stubborn than others, but nevertheless, it has removed them without me having to put in any elbow grease. So let me up the volume in it. So now we're going to do a straight, neat, straight out the bottle and straight into here, and we'll see how foamy it is, because it clearly does clean it quite well. So here we go, straight out of the bottle. So it's just going to be a neat concentration. I'm not going to put that much in it because it is quite a waste, but yeah, there we go. So neat, straight out of the bottle. This, I'm actually expecting this to be hella foamy. Oh, it's hella foamy, alright. It's not even running down the body. Super foamy. Look at that. Look how dense it is. Look at that. Hella thick. Super dense. Right, let me time it. And I'll start the timer. So I did pause the timer, so this is probably just over 3 minutes it's actually been on there. And yeah, it's funny, the thicker the foam goes on, the quicker it comes off, doesn't it? But yeah, it's still done pretty well. So I'm going to wash the rest of the car, and yeah, I think the AA snow foam's doing pretty well. Before I actually wash it, I'm going to show you this, neat concentration, because it is so foamy. So ready? Here we go. I mean, look how thick. I'll show you on the wheel. Oh, I've run out. My final thoughts of the AA Karcher Essentials Cherry Snow Foam. It's a bit of a tongue twister that. I was just looking at who actually makes it, and it says it's made by this company called Assured Products Limited. And if you Google them, this Assured Products Limited, they actually make other stuff. So for Spear and Jackson, Williams Racing, JCB, and obviously AA. So they have a few things. So that is actually who makes it. But as far as this snow foam goes, would I recommend it? 1000%. I think it foams up really well. As we saw, it cleaned really well. Obviously, I do know some bird poos are harder than others, but it did clean them straight off. So yeah, I would 100% recommend it if you can find it at a very good price. Because as I said, I got this from Home Bargains. It was £2, but the only place I can find it right now is on this home and cleaning website, and it is £12 for 2. But as I said, if you head down to Home Bargains, you might find it on the shelf, because I have seen it there a few times. So there you go, 100%, give it a go. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.